So before we get started installing, ito na yung mga install natin at yung mga kailangan natin tools. Siyempre kailangan din natin ng Philips. So gagawin natin yan is hardware, dashcam, at ito yung mga options na kung anong type ng fuse box mo, and then of course yung camera ito, and then probably we won't needing this because the hardware na tayo. So this is on the side, maybe, but next one is this one from your fuse to ground. I believe it's a relay or something. This one goes to your straight to your camera plug. Of course we got plastic tools para sa mga dash panel na kailangan mong tanggalin. Yung suction, hopefully this one will work. On my experience, I don't like it. Another extra cord for it, few screws, syempre yung camera surveyor, some fuse and a fuse remover. At the 128 memory card. So sisimulan na natin. I'll be installing this into a sedan on a hybrid car. So let's do it. For the Ford C-Max, my fuse box is underneath the passenger's glove box. So dito siya. Hanapin nyo lang. So ito yung fuse box, and this is our for the amp, and we are going to use this 5 amps right here. This one, this for my ignition switch. If you turns it off, camera turns off. Turns it on, camera turns on. So I'll put the 5 amps here. If you can see it right now. Then I'll put the amps and this, and then let's install it. Next one is looping and hiding this cable wires. The fun part should be okay in here. So all wire tucked in, all the way here inside, all the way up here, and I just hide it all the way on the side of this cart, and then yeah. So you're gonna start over until the ratio on the end. And a gland right over here. So I will turn it on, and it should power on as well. Yeah, power's on. Okay, and then turn it off. Let's go outside, and that should power off. Lock it up. Okay, it shuts off. So that's cool. Now that we are here in the rear and we are about to install this rear view camera, and take note, this red wire you see, this is for the reverse guide camera. But if your cars already have a reverse camera, you don't need to plug this in, as this is for the small camera, which is our dash cam, for the reverse guide. So in my case, I don't need it. I just install this somewhere here, right there maybe, right there. So let's do it. So what I did, wire behind this, pull this tab off, put the wire in there, inside. This is the wire. Grommet, like sa loob, and then got it from there all the way here. Yeah. So this we're gonna do, dali natin the wire hanggang dun sa dashcam natin. Let's go. Oh,
a few moments later.
So now this is what it looks like after we install it. So you get an option to view the back. Yeah. So that's your rear view, and you can put them all at the same time. So you can view your rear and front at the same time. Yep, that is all. So I'll put this camera on in the link, with the link in the description below. So that's all for today, Voltan. See you guys next time.